Hi everyone, I am Nitish. From today I will cover some good concepts and questions of data structure which will be helpful for GATE exam as well as university exams. In this video I am going to cover the concept of pre-order traversal of a binary tree. Now what is binary tree? Basically binary tree is a non-linear data structure with a maximum of 2 children of each parent and having finite number of nodes. Now what is traversal of binary tree? The process of visiting each node in a tree data structure exactly once is called a tree data traversal. Binary tree traversal. Now there are three common ways to traverse them. The number one is pre-order, the second one is post-order, and the third one is in-order traversal. I am going to cover the pre-order traversal in this very video. If you guys are agog to learn this concept and want to solve a question with trick, then you must watch this complete video. Now let's start that what is pre-order traversal. So basically this is a tree that we have on the screen. Now I am going to give you a simple idea that what are the basic features of the tree. The topmost element is called the root node. This is the root node, and the node which have branch, suppose B have C and D as a branch, so B is called the parent node and C also is a parent node because G is the children of C. Okay, and G node which have no children, so G is also known as the leaf node. So we have G, D, F, E as the leaf node. Okay, so leaf node are those nodes which have no children. So what is pre-order? This one is the root. So this is basically the left subtree and this is the right subtree. E and F are the right subtree. Okay. Now in the pre-order traversal, first of all we have to consider the root, then left and then right. In the post order, the number one is left, right, then root. So and in the in order, left root, then right. So basically we see that the position of left and right always same. Basically the changing is the root. Okay, root in the pre-order the first one will be root, post order last, and the in order in the middle. Now how to traverse this tree with the pre-order? I'm going to solve this question with a simple basic concept, and after that I will perform the trick that how to solve this question with trick without doing any type of mistake. So the first in the pre-order, the first we have to do is we have to select is the root. So this is the root. So we have A, and then the in the left. So we have to come in the left subtree. In the left subtree, this is the root. So this is the B, and after that B in the left subtree. So we have C and G. Okay. After C and G, the right subtree of B, that is D, and after that we come to the right of the root node. Basically that is E and Z. E and F. Okay, so A, B, C, G, D, E, F is the pre-order traversal of this very tree. Now sometimes we can do mistake, not in this question, maybe in large question like this question. Okay, this is a large type question and we do mistakes. Now how to solve that question with trick? Okay, so we have these elements in the tree. Now what we have to do is just draw a line just like this, traverse the tree with a line. Okay, just draw this line. Okay, this one, and then traverse like this. Now we have to do nothing, we have to just do what is just write each and every node as we have drawn in that very order. So A, B, C, G, and then D, and then E, and then F. So basically these are the pre-order. So we have A, B, C, and then G, and then D, and then E, and then F. So we see A, B, C, G, D, E, F, A, B, C, G, D, E, F, and what we have A, B, C, G, D, E, F. So as you people see in less time how we can perform the pre-order traversal within few seconds. Now suppose if this question, if I am going to solve this question with the concept, then it will take too much time. So how to do with the trick? Okay, as I said, just draw a line. Okay, so just traverse the tree with this case is this one, and then like this one. We do traverse as the structure of the tree. So this one, like this one, and this one, this one, this one, this one, and then this one. Okay, now what we have to do in pre-order? Nothing, just we have to just write the element 25, 15, 10, 4, and then 12, then 22, 18, 24, 50, 35, 31, 44, 70, 66, and 90. Okay, so right, we have 25, 15, then 10, then 4, 25, 15, 10, 4, then 12, and then what we have 22, then we have 18, and after that 24, after that 50, after that 35, after that 31, after that 44, and 70, and then 66, and then finally 90. 25, 15, 10, 4, 12, 22, 18, 24, and then we have 50, 35, 31, 44, 70, 66, and 90. So I think the concept and the trick is very easy, as you people see. So I think that you are able to solve any question with pre-order traversal. Okay guys, if you like this video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you learned something in this video, then please share and increase the number of subscribers, and let me know in comment box if any query. Okay, thank you for watching guys.